Motor Claims Management System (MCMS) workflow by MI Synergy Private Limited.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Let me introduce you to the Motor Claims Management System. It's a fully integrated workflow system which is currently live in these two entities and which is being evaluated by the provider right now. So, to kick off this particular product, the highlights of this product, it's a platform neutral application. We are not dependent on a particular type of hardware, we are not dependent on a particular type of operating system, and it's irrelevant what type of core insurance system you have. This can run totally independent of all these three components. Also, it's lower cost of ownership based on Java technology, MySQL database and open source technology. So your licensing, your cost of ownership is much lower compared to other commercial products that are there in the industry. Also, this is an end-to-end 24/7 system because it has a built-in offline module. Even if your core system is not operational, you can run the entire system on our platform 24/7. And also, when I say end-to-end, we talk about 13 different modules which integrate on a browser-based GUI interface. So, accessibility, you don't have to install any client components, you don't have to install any specific software on the client machines or the devices, as long as you have access to a web browser. We have checked it with Internet Explorer, Chrome, Firefox, all the commercial browsers that are commonly used. It's compatible with all browsers, and as long as you have access to Internet and a browser, you are able to work on this system. And this has given power for the insurance companies to have their assessors at home. They are evaluating people at home 24/7, approving, updating records and going through the whole workflow process. So if you take this particular system, it has 13 modules starting from the call center, from the point of your vehicle meeting with the accident and you calling the call center. It happened to me today morning. My vehicle met with the accident today morning, of all people. So starting from that point onwards, whether it's a motorcycle, three-wheeler, Mercedes-Benz, doesn't matter. Going up to your assessor coordination, that job management, the activity management, all the reports, all the data capturing, the digital documents and images that come through the whole workflow, including starting from the police report, ending up with your final payments, your invoices, your checks, then the motor engineer process of evaluation, suspicion, checking, investigations, the claim processing part, you know there are so many things, delegated limits, verification from banks, lending authorities, spare parts and supply management, who are your suppliers, who will supply which spare part, at what cost, and it dynamically updates. Let's say for example, you right now buy a particular spare part and you have put a price, but tomorrow when you buy it from another supplier, he gives a different price, it dynamically updates the current price of that spare part, so you don't have to go and again change your spare part database. Then the electronic fund transfer information for bank to bank settlements, where you can, the customer or even the spare part suppliers can just say, okay, this is my account number, this is my bank. We will generate the electronic files for the bank to bank settlements based on what arrangements each insurance provider has with the banks. Service level tracking, to know your bottlenecks and everything. Process flow tracking, where is each claim right now, one dashboard. On-screen messaging as well as SMS messaging engine, where you get all the alerts to customer, to the assessors, to other service points, as well as color-coded dashboard with various symbols, various status tracking to make life easy. So if you talk about claim management, we talk about the claim intimation part, which drives the initial contact. And here we even provide a history of all claims that have already taken place. So when you intimate a claim now, you know what historically happened for each vehicle, how many times he has claimed, for what he has claimed, and you can go up to the individual photographs and see what exactly happened the last time. And all the information regarding the covers, the no claim bonuses, what the customer wants to know. Okay. From there, we go through the claim life cycle tracking, and you will see all these are ticks and indicators. So when you look at it at one glance, you know whether what has been checked, what has been verified, what has not been verified, and the images, photographs, everything is on one dashboard. And you will see the digital seals also appearing based on what is approved, what is not approved, which level it has gone through. Then the monitoring and control part. synchronous with the core insurance systems. So all data is automated, extracted. It can be periodic extractions, it can be real-time extractions depending on what each customer wants. And because of this, the agents or the call center people or the claim handlers do not have to log into the back-end system to find out anything. Front-end, one interface gives them all the information. Easy to navigate, tabular, which shows you the path, which action you want to go, and each information set is broken down into tabs. And fill that relevant component. The user-friendly interface, which is just point and click, you can just diagrammatically mark on that what you have, what you want to do, pull down menus. Everything is made very much easy for the user. Here, the productivity, ability to have dynamic processors, reminder letters, all these processes are fully automated. So it will not hinder your normal work. And also, like we said at the beginning, you have this messaging dashboard, you are working on one particular system and you get another update on another claim that you have done. Just click on the message, you are drilled down into that particular screen, which action has taken place for you to do the update and come back to what you were doing previously. Then if you talk about service and control, we have service level tracking. You will see right on top, it will tell you what is the target expect time, what is the actual time taken, and each task did it meet the service level expectations. And if a particular one did not meet, you would see a cross mark which tells you, okay, this met a service standard. And also within a service set, you can say, okay, this task met, but this task did not meet. But overall, the service set is within the service standard. So you can be service set based or individual task based. So you will know your bottlenecks. Where are the bottlenecks? Where are the delays? Where should we improve? What should be improved in the whole process? And also at the second level, you will see there are color coded various symbols which tell you, okay, right now by looking at the dashboard itself, you know what has not been done, what has been done, whether it's green, whether it's red, whether it's amber, whether it's yellow. Various stages that it has into. So you don't have to dig your file to find out what this is. And finally, each stage critical activities are tracked. So we call this the super dashboard, where any branch, if a customer calls any branch, any contact point of that particular organization, that particular contact point can say where this particular claim is, what has happened to it, who is handling it, what's the delay. Okay. So finally, this is who we are. This is the contact details of MI Synergy. So this is the product that we bring, and this is the product that we have displayed here. So this is a fully integrated, 100% locally developed product, which is currently used by a multinational as well as a local company. And we hope that this will be a platform where this product will be taken to the other insurance companies in Sri Lanka as well as globally.